Okay. We grab this in the middle, the chain, making sure your link thing's in front, with most of it in the back, just touching in the front up here, and most of it toward the back. Then we'll back up just enough to maybe put this part at the 1 o'clock. Maybe back up. Little more. Okay. If you go too far, it'll fall off. But you just want to get down at the bottom here so that you can get to this hook for the back. Then you hook the back up first. Then you pull your front around. Make sure you don't double your link. Just go through one link. Don't stack them up. Okay. And then we have to put our rubber bands. Start mine at the bottom, then come up every other spot. And that's all there is to it.